Chocolate discharges the chemical oxytocin, which is the same chemical your body produces when you are happy. The pulsations a woman feels during orgasm are actually her uterus trying to gather sperm. Narcissistic personality disorder exists in around 6% of the population. A hug longer than 20 seconds will produce hormones into your body that makes you trust the individual who is hugging you. People seem to be happy when they're kept busy, as this keeps them from worrying about bad problems in life. Happiness, rage, sorrow, anxiety, disgust, and surprise are the 6 feelings that are uniformly conveyed. People seem to respect items more when they assemble them on their own, also partially named after the furniture from the renowned store, the IKEA effect. The sight of water has a very calming and soothing effect on people, which makes them experience happiness, calming thoughts, and be even more imaginative. About all colors have a physical wavelength associated with it, but the magenta hue does not. Instead, the brain is actually viewing the color as not green. Retrograde amnesia is a disease where you don't recall much of the injuries. Money will buy happiness, but only to a certain extent. Almost all colors have a physical wavelength associated with it. But the color magenta doesn't, as your brain is actually interpreting the color as not green. When we sleep, our spinal fluid flows into the skull, beyond the blood vessels of the brain. This reduces brain cell waste, a particular accumulation of amyloid beta protein. The fastest supercomputer in the world takes 24 million watts of power to run, but our brains only need 20 watts and operate over 100,000 times faster. Exercise slows the neurological deterioration in our brains. And increased physical exercise will delay our brain's aging by 10 years. We scream out when we are really happy, and our hypothalamus in our brain can't distinguish the difference between good happiness and sorrow.